What is good, boys? My webcam broke, so I won't be able to have a face cam. Fortunate, but yeah, I'll be going over today, August 19. I did not take a trade, even though in hindsight, maybe I should have, but I just didn't have the conviction for it. So let's go over my daily bias. So going into the day, I was super bearish. We had previously low. We did have an SMT previously low, but I did not think it would get respected, just like the day prior to it. So like yesterday, London highs did trade into an hourly fair value gap. I'm pretty sure this is a 4 hour. Okay, so that is London highs right there, and they trade into an hourly fair value gap. I would like to see a manipulation higher at open to then take shorts. We'll see what happens. So at open, we ended up I guess we did have the manipulation right before open, which was right here. We traded into a 50-minute fair value gap, and then we just ended up dumping. It was a 1 minute CIC there. We just ended up dumping, and from there we took previously low, but I was so super bearish to all of this low resistance liquidity right here. I wanted to see that get run, and it did. We ended up opening up this 50-minute fair value gap right here. Then I was looking for short of this because we opened a 5 minute fair value gap here. We tapped into it. We also tapped equilibrium of this range right here. Then, and we also got, let me go ahead and delete this. And we did also have an SMT here with this eye. So this was A plus. I was going to take this 1 minute inverse right here. It was also 2 minute though. So yeah, I was gonna take that 2 minute. The close was just horrible. As you can see, the 2 minute just closed all the way down here. So I just couldn't take that. And yeah, then we ended up opening up a 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, we ended up trading back towards it, and yes, ended up sweeping this high right here once again. So we got an SMT here, and then we got a 5 minute inverse to the downside. Um, I did fade this and I did not take it simply because ES was super close to this buy side right here, and I wanted it to sweep it. And this SMT, I don't know, just didn't really look convincing to me, I guess. Like ES traded like all the way up here. I don't know, I just feel like because you can see that ES kind of took it here. Oops, took it here. So like if this SMT, I don't know, like so we've got this SMT at first on this candle here. So I don't know, it was kind of weird though, but we were inside of the 50-minute fair value gap. ES was super close to the buy side, and I honestly did want NQ to sweep this high, even though we did have the SMT, but I wanted NQ to sweep it and get an SMT with this high right here. Sadly, we just ended up getting the 5 minute inverse, and it was super textbook, I guess. And then yeah, ended up printing. It was a 1 to 2 RR pretty much, and yeah, right there. It's unfortunate though. It was super clean, and if ES had taken this high, I would have taken this every single day. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. I didn't have the conviction for it at the moment. And yeah, definitely something to learn from. Also, I guess that, I don't know, like the draw was super clear. Like it was so obviously lower. So I guess that, like if we inverse this 5 minute with the SMT and we're inside a 50-minute fair value gap, I guess that like that's all we need, I guess, to go like lower. And yeah, I was kind of picky today, but I think I had my reasons. And yeah, I just didn't really like it. And I just rather sit out of a trade that didn't really like. So yeah, that is it for today. I guess I could have taken it on my evil, and I thought about it, but I don't know. I ended up fading it. So yeah, no trade for me today. As you can see, no trade. So yeah, that is it for today, and peace out, boys.